In this video, we're going to be installing Kali Linux on a Windows 10 PC. Now, if you don't already have VMware Workstation Pro installed on your computer, check out this video and I'll walk you through the steps. They have changed a few things on the website, made it a little bit difficult. Kind of seems like they don't want us to download it for free, but it is available for free, so check out this video. We're at the Kali Linux website, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing the virtual machine. Now, typically, if you want to start it from scratch, you can get the bare metal option, but this one is going to be already built for us. So these are pre-built images. We're going to click on it, and it's going to bring us over to the download page. You can see we have quite a few options over here. I've done these in the past. If you want me to do a video on each one of these, I can do that. Right now we're doing VMware, so we're going to go ahead and click on the download option. The image size is 3.5 gigs, so you want to make sure you have enough space available for your image. We'll go ahead and let this download onto my computer, and we'll jump over to the next step. Okay, so once you have your image downloaded, what you want to do is extract it. So we're going to go into the folder, and you can see it is a 7-zip file. So what we have to do is install 7-zip. So the website for 7-zip is 7zip.org. We'll click on the download page over here, and we're going to download the 64-bit executable file, and that is done. We'll go ahead and install it now. I'll go ahead and minimize this, and in my downloads folder, you can see that we have the Kali Linux file over here. We're going to right click on it, and we're going to select the 7-zip option and extract here. So what it's going to do is it's going to extract all the files into this folder. Just move it over so you can see it. And here it is. Okay, so we have the files extracted now. They're in this folder. And now we just need to open up VMware Workstation Pro. And now we can go ahead and open up our virtual machine that we just downloaded. So we can click on this option right over here. And we're going to go into our downloads folder where it's been downloaded. Here's the folder. And here is the image file. We'll go ahead and click on open. And here it is. So all these options are pre-selected. You can change them if you want. Right now the memory is at 2 gigabytes. It's using 4 processors. It has 80 gigs of RAM. And the network adapter is at NAT. And then you have all default settings going across the board. I typically like to adjust the memory. So when you click on it, you have the options over here. I usually like to go to at least 4 gigs of RAM just so we have enough power for it. You can go ahead and change some other options in here as well. And we'll just click on OK. And now we can go ahead and power on this virtual machine by clicking on the play button here. Now we get this message, which we can go in and modify it if we find it's running too slow. We have a couple options over here. It's automatically going to run the GUI as soon as it starts up. Okay, and here we are at the login screen. So we're about to log in. The default username is going to be Kali, and the same thing as the password. And then we'll click on login. Okay, and we have it all set up now, and we can go into the start menu and use the applications if you want. Now, one thing, if you want to just go into full screen mode, you can go and hit Control, Alt, and Enter, or you can hit on the full screen option up here at the top. It'll take over your complete screen, and you can start using it as if it's running on your desktop, and that's how you do it. That's how you install Kali Linux on Windows 10. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.